Hi, today we're going to be learning about how to multiply decimals. Let's get started. So problem 1 is 5.3 or 5 and 3/10 times 0.8 or 8/10. So first step is to make an estimate. Most people don't really like making an estimate, but it helps you figure out if your answer is correct or wrong at the end. So let's turn 5 and 3/10 into 5 and 8/10 into 1. And then we get 5. Step 2 is to multiply as if they were whole numbers. Forget about the decimal points. So as you can see, I don't have any decimal points in here. I also don't have a 0 from 8/10. And then we multiply them. You get 424. Step 3 is to count the number of digits behind the decimal in both factors. So in 5 and 3/10, we have one digit behind the decimal, which is going to be 3. It's highlighted. And in 8/10, we have 8 behind the decimal, which is going to be added 1. And we get 2 altogether. And step 4 is to place the decimal point in the answer of step number 2. So step number 2 answer is 424, and we bring it down here and start at the right and move the number of spaces equal to the sum of the decimal places in both factors from step 3. So we have 2 altogether, so we need to move 2 spaces to the left. So 1, 2, and that's where our decimal point is going to be placed. So that's going to be 4 and 24/100. So our next problem is 8 and 56/100 times 9/10. First, make an estimate. Turn this into 9, turn this into 1, which equals 9. Second, multiply as if they were whole numbers. Forget about the decimal points. So I don't have any decimal points or the 0 from 9/10, and then you multiply them and you get 7,704. Step 3 is to count the number of digits behind the decimal in both factors. So in 8 and 56/100, we have 2 digits behind the decimal, so 5 and 6. And behind the decimal in 9/10, we have 9, which is going to be another plus 1. So we have 3 altogether. And then step 4 is to place the decimal point in the answer of step number 2. So the step number 2's answer was 7,704. We have to bring it down here and start at the right and move your way to the left. Number of spaces equal to the sum of the decimal places in both factors from step number 3. So 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. And that's where our decimal point is going to be. Here's some steps on how to multiply decimals. First, make an estimate. Most people don't like to do it, but I like to. Second, multiply as if they were whole numbers. Third, count the number of digits behind both factors. Place the decimal points in the answer of step number 2 by starting at the right and moving the number of spaces equal to the sum of the decimal places in both factors from step number 3. Here's some practice problems you could do. I'm going to show you the answer in just a moment, so if you want to pause, you can. Here are the answers to the practice problems. Check your answers if you did them. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video, share this video to your friends and family who need help learning the skill, and hit that subscribe button for more fun learning videos. Make sure you comment down below on what fun learning video I should do next. Keep on learning, and bye for now.